Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your KuCoin account data with security checks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your KuCoin account data, start by logging into your KuCoin account. Once logged in, navigate to the account security settings. Look for the option labeled Security. This section contains various security features, including backup options. Next, locate the backup or export data feature. Click on this option to begin the backup process. You may be required to enter your trading password for verification. If prompted, check your email or mobile device for a verification code. Enter the code in the field provided to proceed. After verification, you will see available data to back up. Select the type of data you want to export. Common options may include transaction history and account settings. Once selected, click on the Download or Export button. Your data will then be prepared for download. Make sure to save the downloaded file in a secure location. Consider encrypting the file for added security if sensitive information is present. After the download is complete, remove any temporary files from your device. Regularly update your backup to ensure your data remains current. Finally, review your security settings periodically for enhanced protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.